Mail ID Satendra Singh 311976 @gmail.com. Mobile, mail, WhatsApp. I am a NSE certified technical fundamental and option strategy analyst, as well as I am NISM certified research analyst. I got NSE award in 2019 level 1 certification. By profession I am a trader and I help people in long term equity investment. I have already covered price action trading part 1. You can see my video that is available on my channel. The strategies I covered: first is gap up, gap down opening after previous day closing. If market opens gap up or gap down, or bullish kicker or bearish kicker candle form, then how you can take a trade? I told you first 5 minutes candle strategy, that is 9:15 a.m. to 9:20 a.m. Based on 5 minutes candle, how you can trade? Then I told you first 15-minute candle strategy, 9:15 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. how you can trade. All these strategies are really profitable and you don't require any indicator on that. So it is complete price action trading. You can use only pivot point if you want. That can help you for entry and exit point. Please refer to my earlier video. Now today I have planned to cover first 30 minutes candle strategy, that is 9:15 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. candle. Then previous day high low breakout strategy. This is really nice strategy and it is always profitable. Once any stock breaks daily candle high or low on next day, then it give a lot of profit. But in a stock market, all game is time. Which time you are going to take trade? Time, I already told you, time should be 9:30 to 11, or you can take, if you are getting right entry, you can start 9:15 a.m. analyze the data before, do stock selection and try to exit by 10:30 or maximum by 11. After 11 or 11:30 to 1:30, market is sideways and range bound, so please do not take a trade, because in sideways and range bound market no indicator works, even if stock movement is in a specific range, so you will have always losses. The third strategy is quarterly result play strategy. This is especially I made for you. If you want to play with quarter results, you can just see and try to analyze. You can get a profit. So let me explain first strategy. First 30 minutes candle strategy. You can note down previous day high or low. We must aware always. In case market opens gap on or gap down, this is observation. This will be required for previous low and high breakout strategy. So for any strategy, I recommend you please take highly liquid stock as per stock selection criteria. Trade with trend of the stock. While taking trade, stock should not be range bound or sideways. So this is the basic criteria. So for first 30 minutes candle, please check 9:15 to 9:45 candle, high low. You can draw two lines, low and high. Then you let 9:30 for on 15 minutes chart, let uh, sorry from for 30 minutes chart, let candle form from 9:15 to 9:45. So there will be two candles. One is 9 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. That is 15 minutes candle. Another candle is 9:15 a.m. to 9:45, 30-minute candle. So you can take a support resistance of 9 a.m. to 9:45 candle. If high of first candle 30-minute breaks, then you can go of a long trade. If low of 30 minutes break, so you can go a short trade. A stop loss you can take 1 to 1.5%. Exit profit as per your target defined. Whatever target defined before trade, you can exit. You can use trailing stop loss also in that. The second strategy which I am going to tell you, previous day high low breakout. Is any stock give you a good profit, you can try any of the stock. Please note down daily candle chart, high and low. Next day before 9:15 a.m. you draw two lines, high and low, vertical and horizontal line with 15 minutes time frame. So take a trade if high or low breakout in and put a low of bullish candle, or take a stop loss of high in case of bearish. Exit profit, exit and take profit as per defined. Risk reward ratio should be 1:2 or 1:3. You should identify trend. You can use a trend line to know the trend. I will advise you should check sector index. If you are doing a trade in Nifty, then you can see Nifty. In Nifty you see which index is has a strength, then you select a criteria on that index. So I have already shared you detail on stock selection. Based on that you can select a stock. I will prefer you should take a stock from Nifty 50 which have a variation of 1.5% to 3%, 4% up and down movement previous day. The third strategy I told you, quarterly result play strategy. I will advise you should avoid playing while the day when result came, because you cannot predict the moment. Like you will you will see the stock result has been announced. It takes a lot of time to identify, even if expert for that. So better you don't play. You can play after next or next day of quarter result. Check a stock next day, watch how stock is going. It is going or sideways or it is going for breakout. Check in 1 minute candle. If sideways, leave for the trade. In case of direction is clear, then you take a trade on next day. Please check gap up and gap down opening. Then you check the retracement. Take a 1 minute candle. Take a trade once direction is clear. With the stop loss, you can take 1 rupees, 2 rupees, or whatever you are comfortable. Exit and take your profit as defined. Risk to reward ratio should be 1:2 to 1:3. You can have a trade on 5 minutes or 15 minutes candle. I will advise you timing. Timing should be again 9:30 to 10:30 once your setup. Please do not take stocks on the result day. Take next or next day. This is my recommendation. Based on my experience, I am telling you. This video is for your education purpose. You can make your concepts, so it will be better for you before jumping in the market. Always follow the trend. Do trade in liquid stock. While taking trade, stock should not be in sideways or range bound. So I covered these three strategies. Now I will show you the previous high low breakout strategy. So you see that here I am going on the chart of Hidalgo. Let me take daily. You see, I put on daily chart, then I am just showing you. You see that now I will draw a line on previous day. You see, I draw a line. You see that on previous day high low. So you see, this is one line. I will draw here. See, this is close of the bearish candle. You see. So you have to see the setup, the basic concept I have given. See here. This is what. Now I am going. This you see, I have taken 13 May data. Then I am going 15 minutes candle. I will make it. You see. Let me go again. Daily candle. High and low. Again, I should give 15-minute time frame. See, here you see that this is the, you see here, you see this is the previous day data, and you just see it has broken the low, and see, you see here how the stock is going down. You see, from here today this stock, if you take a short trade from here, it was 119, and you see it is 117.87 rupees. So you can get 3 rupees profit in a very small stock. This is really good. Then let me take another stock, Reliance. See, Reliance, I will again Reliance. Let me take a daily data again. Daily chart, Reliance. Now I will again try to put a line on daily chart. I will take a previous day. This is, you see, downstairs 13 data, and I am going to draw a line. This is first, and this is, you see, this is a bearish candle. You see this. I am going to remove this line. It is not required. Then I will go on 15-minute chart. You see this has broken. You have to wait for these trades. You should have patient, a lot of patience. You see here this stock has opened, it is going low. Here it has broken previous day low, and the price was 14.57, and you see from 57 to this has came 41, then again you see it came 31. So 31 to 57, so you can get 25 rupees profit. Let me take another stock. I will say, because the market is bearish, so you see here this is another stock. I will take another stock. I will go again daily data, daily chart. This is really very nice strategy, but you have to wait long time. You have to hunt in 7-8 stock. Just see again here I draw a line. See that line. Then again I will go 15-minute chart. See here, I will minimize this. You see morning it has just broken the low. Once you can put a stop loss here and take a short trade 332 and 326, so you can get 3 rupees. So I mean to say, you have always profit. I will try to take some bullish share. see day chart. Let me draw a line. This is Glenmark. You see, I draw a trend line here. See, trend line here. I draw another trend line here. You see. Then again, I will go 15 minutes candle. I mean to say today. See, here it has broken 9:45. It has broken previous day low, and it has made a new high. You see, if take a straight on here, then also from 342, from 344 to 348, 7 rupees profit. So you see, you have always profit. I will try to take first 30-minute candle strategy, the same stock. I will put in 30 minutes time frame. I will remove this three line. Let me try. You see, this is 30-minute candle. You see here 9:50. This is 9:45. You see, and it has from, if I put a here, you see, this is 15 minutes, then it is 30. So if you take from here this level, I draw here, and if I draw here, see, and if you take a trade, record is it has broken 9:15 a.m. 9:45 candle. If you buy here, then you see you are getting a profit from here 347 to 351. I will take next. Let me take Bajaj Finance. You see, Bajaj Finance. Let me take 30 minutes candle. You see here 9:15, 9:45. This is a sideways market, and here you see it has broken, and you see Bajaj Finance after range bound market. So here there is no trade. Then I should take let me try HDFC Bank. See, HDFC Bank here. See here 9:45. This low high. This is a range bound market. So trade today, the market has opened gap down, and you see here this is this 30-minute candle. This is 9:14, and this is 9:45. Once I draw true line here, this is one candle, and this is another, you see, and it has just see that. So here you see that this is first 15-minute candle. This is, and you see it broke that first 30-minute. So you can short because it's a short trade, and put a stop loss of previous candle, and from here 5:11 to this place 496. So you can get 15-16 rupees profit. Let me take, I am taking stocks just, I will take M, and M, Mahindra and Mahindra. You see, this is first 15 minutes. Here it is range bound. So you have to avoid the range bound sideways because it is not breaking, so you can leave the trade. Don't take. So by that way you have to hunt. I should take any IT share. Let me take Infosys. See Infosys here. See, this is 15-minute candle. This is 30-minute candle. So here also, because it is too much no trade. So I mean to say, I told you a lot of strategies. So you have to these. eh, So this is what I told you. You can try. You can have a practice. So let me go on uh, the slides and let you know how many studies I have covered on Fry section. Dear friends, I have told you 6 strategies. First is gap up, gap down of previous day closing. Then first 5 minutes candle strategy, gap up, gap down, first 5 minutes and 15 minutes, and previous day high low breakout are excellent strategies. You won't get loss on that. First 30 minutes you can try, but because first 30 minutes in market a lot of people are trying, but the profit in the most profitable strategy I will recommend you first 15-minute candle strategy 9:15 a.m. to 9:30. This is one of the most profitable. Then the second is previous day high low breakout, and the third is gap up, gap down. So these three strategies, your success rate will be very high. You can try. If you are a very aggressive trader, you can try first 5 minutes candle strategy. I will summarize. So I told you 6 price action trading. You don't require any indicator. You don't require trend line. Even if for high and low also you don't require, but that will be easy if you draw a line. So it is really for the previous high day breakout strategy. If you draw a line, then it will be easy for you to identify. If he breaks down, then you put a stop loss of previous candle high and play. So if he goes high, then you put a stop loss and buy it. So you don't require indicator. You don't need to go on what candle it is forming. It is for the people who don't want to go too much experiments on indicators. And then so here the main I will advise you have to just identify 2 candles. If you can do dozy candle, you have to see and be careful on dozy candle if you can do, otherwise it is not required. Dozy normally it forms at the downtrend or uptrend, so it is a trend reversal. All candles form on the uptrend or downtrend. So I have told you all this. You can draw a offline chart, go there and practice there. Please have a paper trade. For intraday traders, it takes years. Out of 100 traders, 100%, only 5% get success and 95% fails. So please have a proper competence before jumping into or doing into intraday trading. please have a training from certified person or take a knowledge, so they can tell you please build up first your concept, then you can go ahead with trading and do with very small amount. I will advise don't play in future and options without having knowledge. It is very risky. Even if in option your money can be zero. So be careful, don't avoid. Don't do option strategies. And option I am telling you, you have all the strategies in hedging. If hedging is not there, then it is not a option. So friends, this is from my end. If you need any help, you can mail me, you can WhatsApp me. If anybody is interested in equity investment in long term, then he can talk to me. I do trading from 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. so I am very busy, so I don't pick the call in that time. You can call me between 5 to 7, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day. I am giving my all lectures in English because the stock market is widely used in everywhere. It is used in world all the countries. So our relatives or friends who are living outside India, I mean to say NRI, they can also benefit it, and anybody who's comfortable with not Hindi, so he can also, if anybody wants, especially on the request, I can make this video in Hindi also. So English is a global international language, so I am putting these videos on English only. It is a international language. This video is for education purpose, your learning purpose. Thanks a lot, friend. Good night.